Hello guys, in this lesson we will animate the emitter using some simple expressions. Before I start the animation, I will go to File and set the project. As you remember, we created a project in the Houdini project and viscosity, and here is, and I will select and accept. This will not open the file but will set the project in the folder that called viscosity. So first I will select the box. As you see here, I created a simple rectangle. If I dive inside, I have a transfer node and emitter out null. So I will select the transfer node and I will go to the translate and I will hold Alt on the keyboard and left mouse click to set a key. And then I will move the time slider to 2040 frame. And then I will select the move tool. As you see, the move is not showing here. So I will select the manipulator, or it called in Houdini called handle. So I will move the rectangle somewhere here. Okay. So now I will hold Alt on the keyboard and left mouse click to set another key. So now I have an animation. So if you want to edit the curve of the animation, you right click and go to channels and keyframes and scope parameters. As you see now, I have the curve of the animation. So I will select the 2 points and I will click on this icon to flat the curve. So now I will close the window. Now the animation moving at the same speed from start to finish. So it's not slowing down. So another thing, if we want to rotate the rectangle or the emitter, you can go to first frame and hold Alt and keyframe and another keyframe here and set it, for example, to 1600. Okay, so another keyframe, Alt and left mouse click. As you see, we have now rotation. So another way to use the expressions I will show you. So first I will right click and delete the channels. You can set sign and choose $F. $F means the frame number. So if I hit enter, now if I click one here on the rotate, as you see now nothing happens because the value is too slow. So another way, you can multiply it, for example, by 30. And now as you see, the emitter is rotating right and left. So you can, if you want to make the whole rotation, so you need to delete the channels, and then I will type just $F. This means the $F is the frame number. So if I click on rotate, you see here is 1. So if I go to frame 25, you see here we have 25. Now without using the sign expression, the rotation completes and continues. So if you want to move it faster than the frame number, you need to, again, I will click on rotate to switch to the expression, and I will multiply it, for example, by 20. Now it's more faster. So I will click on this icon to enable the real-time animation. So as you see, it's faster than before. So I will decrease it to 15. And now if I hit play, you see we have the rotation and the movement at the same time. Of course, you can, again, in the translate, you remember we set a key here. Again, you can right click and delete the channels. We can set $F here too. So I will set $F. So let's see what's happening. If I click play, as you see, it's very fast. So what you need to do is divide it, for example, by 10. And now every frame will be divided by 10. So now it's slower. So that's how you can animate with expressions in Houdini. So see you in the next lesson.